the refurbishment process begins. The system is disassembled, and each component is thoroughly inspected to determine if we can refurbish it or if a replacement is necessary. During the next steps, the main components are professionally cleaned and disinfected. The main unit stand is sanded and repainted so that the system looks just like new. Then, key components are sent to the original manufacturers for further refurbishment. Afterwards, the Ecoline system is assembled at our Siemens Healthineers factory in Forchheim, Germany, on the same production line, using the same processes as for new systems. To begin with, a new acquisition workstation is installed and equipped with the latest available software version. Then all refurbished, as well as new components, are combined to make a customized Ecoline system. During reassembly, every refurbished mammography system also receives a brand new tube. To ensure that the Ecoline system meets the relevant technical and quality standards, it undergoes the same rigorous testing as our new systems, including a 10-hour simulation of patient examinations. Once a system passes all quality checks, it is approved by quality management and earns a quality certificate as well as the Proven Excellence label. Afterwards, the Ecoline system is sent to its new owner for installation, which is typically carried out by our factory installation team. Now the Ecoline system is ready for patient treatment.